Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Study Hangout. Children, can you see these three pictures? The pictures are of a book, an apple, the star. So children, which are the nouns in these three pictures? The nouns are book, apple and star. Now tell me, what is there before noun? The words are a and the. So these a and the are called articles in English grammar. So children, today we are going to learn about articles. What is article? An article is used to refer to a noun and tell us if any person, place, animal or thing is specific or non-specific. That means an article is used to refer or to tell about the noun. It gives the information of noun. It's always used before noun. For example, they went to a circus. Here, circus is a noun and the word which is used before noun is article. That means the word which is used before circus, that word is a. We pronounced as a. That is, they went to a circus. We have to say a circus instead of a circus. Okay, clear children? These articles a and the are divided into two categories, namely indefinite articles and definite articles. A and are the indefinite articles while the is the definite article. First, we will focus on indefinite article. So, stay with me till the end. Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are the words a and an. Each of these articles is used to refer to a noun, but the noun being referred to is not a specific person, place, object or idea. It can be any noun from a group of nouns. For example, a Mercedes from the car lot. And second example, an event in history. In each case, the noun is not specific. Here Mercedes is a noun, so the Mercedes could be any Mercedes car available for purchase. And in second sentence, the word event is the noun. So, the event could be any event in the history of the world. As I have told you before, in indefinite articles, a and an are used. So, now we will learn more about article an. An is used before words beginning with vowels and vowel sounds. English alphabets comprise of 5 vowels that are A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an elephant, an igloo, an orange, an umbrella. In most words, they stand for vowel sound, except those with long U or ear sound. For example, university, useful, union. There are some words in English language which begins with a silent H. For example, honest, honor. In these words, H is silent and instead of that, O sound is pronounced. These words take on a vowel sound and are thus written with an before them. So children, I hope you understood the article an.